Hello, and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Taurus. Hey, Taurus, I'm Jamie Kale Miller, and with me is...
I'm Julia Mijas, and Taurus, we've got some good news to tell you about relationships this month. Venus, the planet of relationships, is in your seventh house of relationship for most of the month. So what that means is if you're single, it's a fabulous time to get out there and date. And if you're currently in a relationship, then you're just going to be bonding and connecting and just more harmonious with your partner in general. And then there's this fabulous week that surrounds December 20th. So coming up towards the holidays, where Venus forms a really lovely aspect with the marriage asteroid Juno. So since these two are going to be in harmonious connection, while Venus is in your seventh house, it's going to be a very special week in terms of your relationships. It could be a wonderful week to have a marriage proposal or to further your commitment in some way, or just to see how you and your partner can be even more long-term, because that's what Juno is all about. And I know that Jamie has some things to tell us about finance and career too.
Yeah, sure do. Well, your eighth house is super full this month, Taurus, and the eighth house is the house of debt, and Ceres is there in Sagittarius, and she's going to be there all month, and she really wants you to bring your debt down, not up. She's feeling confident, she's feeling expansive, she's feeling really good about your capacity to improve your debt situation. Now, it certainly is possible that you could be feeling so confident and expansive that you incur more debt, but if you do, please make sure that it's good debt. Maybe advantaging you with a good interest rate, or just easing your overall financial burden in a meaningful way. Now, also Mercury, which is the ruler of your second house of your own personal finances, is going retrograde this month. And this is a real watch out for you, Taurus. So Mercury is going to enter into your eighth house, your ninth house of expansion on December, and go retrograde on December 12th. Now, this can mean that you have ideas for business growth and you really feel pulled to explore them. But as Mercury slows down and turns retrograde around the 12th, you're going to feel like you've got to restrain yourself. And it's good to restrain yourself about those ideas and just really look into them and check them, and make sure that they're solid ideas before you do something about them, and really wait until next month to take action on those ideas. Now, also in the career realm, we've got the full moon in Cancer happening December 26th. It weaves in Jupiter and Saturn. They are going to be super duper helpful. Saturn is the career planet, and it's traveling along through your 11th house for 2.5 years. It's really at the beginning of this journey. And so when Saturn is in the 11th house, this is the house of groups and communities, associates of all kinds, whether in your personal life or your professional life. And Saturn likes to trim things down, likes to prune and cull. And so Saturn may be culling both your social groups, like your friendships, and also your Rolodex at work. So you're going to end up with fewer but stronger associates. And the full moon in Cancer is going to support you on bringing closure to associations that aren't serving you going forward at work, and maybe even bringing closure to friendships, or just putting them on the shelf for a while if those friendships are just not right for where your life is right now. So you end up with fewer but stronger connections with the people in both realms, career and your personal life as well.
Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this horoscope, please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
You can find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with us, and you can also find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos. Bye-bye.
Bye.